Hi guys, good morning. So for today's video ay nag-smoothie muna ako and then nag-stretching muna ako bago mag-exercise. Nag-running, yan, galaw-galaw natin ang ating katawan. So ang workout nga pala natin ngayon guys ay tinatawag na PPL. So nag-research ako yung push, pull, and leg sa Google. So for today's video ay push ang workout natin. So kasali dito ang chest, ang shoulder, at saka ang tricep. So dito guys ay nag-a-add ako ng weight para madagdagan yung bigat ng ating binubuhat. So yan ang first kong ginawa. So bawat exercise guys ay 3 beses kong inulit. So sa video, 1 beses lang kasi 1 beses lang ang ginawa ko para hindi na mahaba yung video natin. So ang tawag dito sa exercise na to guys ay barbell bench press. So ginawa ko tong 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me.
So ito yung pangalawang workout natin guys. Tawag dito ay seated dumbbell press. So ginawa ko itong 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set.
God, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on that tight frame. All game, no shame, baby, game.
So ito yung pangatlong workout natin guys. So naglagay ako ng dumbbell sa aking hita. So ang tawag dito ay bench dips. So ginawa ko itong 3 set, 10 to 12 repetition din.
I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine. Got a fine little body and her mind's kinda naughty.
So ito yung pang-apat na exercise natin guys. Ang tawag dito ay push up dips. So ganun pa rin, 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set.
They say that once you taste it, you cannot replace it. She could get you high, all the dopamine inside triggers fast once she's naked. Her body's a creation. They say the devil made her for his entertainment, but even he couldn't learn how to contain it. Her high heels make a damn good statement. There is no replacement, a body by Satan. She got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, got some egos to the face. Baby, I don't need no space, coming closer for a taste. And I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like sex, drugs, cocaine, body so insane. Jealous of the clothing that she wears up on a tight frame. All game, no.
So ang panglimang exercise natin guys ay itong tinatawag na plate front raise. So bali 10 to 12 repetition din ang ginawa ko at 3 set.
No shame, baby, came here to play. I feel like an addict cause she's sex, drugs, cocaine.
At ito ang pang-anim sa ating listahan guys, ang plate inner chest. So ganun pa rin, 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set. At ito naman ang pangpito sa ating listahan guys. Ito ang tinatawag na dumbbell overhead tricep extension 3 set 10 to 12 repetition.
Psyche, you should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate it, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. I'll be cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly. If you think you'll win, ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing.
At ito naman ang pangwalo sa ating listahan guys. Ang fly chest with resistance band 3 set 10 to 12 repetition pa rin.
In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running shit right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change. I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things, gonna make a f***ing name. I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste it, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate it, you know where to find me. And if you're going hate this, you can fucking bite me. Okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well, I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah, I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after.
At ito naman ang pangsyam sa ating listahan guys. Ito ang tinatawag na front raise alternative. So ang ginawa ko dito ay 10 to 12 repetition each. So bali 24 count yan lahat. 3 set pa rin.
Investing in my own stock, cause it's faster than any crypto hits go. Let me spend everything that you see is something I invent. And it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots. If I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could call me academic. I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert.
So ito yung pang-sampo sa ating listahan guys. Ito yung tinatawag na dumbbell lateral raises. So 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set pa rin. At ito na ang huling exercise natin guys, pang 11. So ang tawag ko dito ay resistance band lateral raises. So ganun pa rin, 10 to 12 repetition, 3 set pa rin yan guys. So bago matapos ang ating workout session guys ay inaanyayaan ko kayong mag-subscribe sa ating YouTube channel. Comment, like, and share na rin guys. Salamat.